Are you looking for a way to show readers how long it will take them to read your documentation? Let us learn the steps to show estimated reading time with BetterDocs. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterDocs. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the BetterDocs tab. Next, go to the Settings tab and select the Layout section. Click on the Single Doc option under Layout Settings. Now, find the General tab. Toggle on the Estimated Reading Time option, adjust the title and hit the Save button. Go to the Settings tab and click on Design. From there, choose Customize BetterDocs. You'll see the WordPress theme customizer open up. Select BetterDocs from the sidebar and go to the Single Doc section. Scroll down to find the Estimated Reading Time settings. Here, you can personalize the text color, background color, font size, font radius, and margin to align with your website style. Once you're happy with the design, don't forget to click the Publish button to apply your changes. Now, let's take a look at the final result. As you can see, the estimated reading time is displayed before the table of contents so they can get the idea of estimated time to read the document. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, contact our support team. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.